Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dinah. Back at it again with another video. And I'm at work right now. And I figured I'd do a mukbang with the food that I cooked today. So I made shrimp. Samoan style shrimp. For those of you who want the video on how to make it, I have a video coming up after this. Okay, I made it earlier today, so, and I'll upload that one tomorrow. Okay, but yeah, I already paid for my food, and yeah, let me just show you guys one of these shrimps for those of you guys who look at that. That's gonna be my thumbnail. Hello. But yeah, how's everybody's day going? Ooh. Come on. These are extra jumbo shrimp. Got the rice. Come on. You cannot go wrong with folly for shrimp and rice. Yeah. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notifications on when I upload a new video. Okay. I know I've been missing in action and all that good stuff. But yeah, I need to start putting out more content, and that's why I'm doing it. Yeah, I don't remember the last time well, actually I do remember the last time I did a video at work. It was a little over a year ago. I remember because we were doing my dad's surprise birthday party. This shrimp slapping. Yo, and this is the extra jumbo shrimp. They were actually on sale. They were on sale at Safeway for buy one get one free. So it's like $22 for 2 bags. And these suckers is big. These are big shrimp. You know what I'm saying? They're the extra jumbo shrimp. If you have never eaten Falifu anything, it's usually, there's usually onion in it. I got onion powder in there, you know what I'm saying? But Falifu is usually eaten with a starch. Like Polly's, they like eating it with with taro or banana, green banana. Something to eat with potatoes, you know. And a little fish. But in this case, there was shrimp and rice. It was hella bomb. Bro. So if you want to get down with this, video coming soon, alright? Matter of fact, you know what? I lied. That video is going to come before this one. So if you're watching this, that video might be up already. Okay? This was huge. See people talking on the radio? How rude. How rude. No, I'm making a video and talking on that radio. What's wrong with y'all? Lord knows. This shrimp, man. I love shrimp. This is like Samoan beloved sauce. This is the ole alofa sauce. Not the ole alofa sauce. But yeah. So yeah, man. So I have some future upcoming, exciting things happening for me in the future. Don't know how much information I can let you guys know about, but it's pretty exciting to me. But you'll know when you see it. And no, it's not The Voice, although I did do the audition and I didn't make it, unfortunately. But you know what? Doesn't mean I can't sing or anything, but that's just their opinion. And I'm obviously not what they want or what they're looking for. But you know what? You gotta think about it. Everybody named Mama. They don't have to hop on a plane to go to the live calls or to the open call audition. Everybody can audition online. So of course they're gonna have maybe twice as much people auditioning because they don't have to do it in person. They can do it online. So yeah, I looked at it that way. Because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of good singers who auditioned. And they got that. Unfortunately, your cover video to... What song did I sing? Run to You from Whitney Houston. I guess it's not what they wanted. You know what I'm saying? Because I was giving them that I wanna run to you. I was giving them, It was a lot better than that, but you know, I was giving them now the Whitney, bring Whitney back, take Tekashi vibes, you know, like that. But yeah, this is not what they wanted, but whatever. But the shrimp though. You know, these damn shrimps, they can be dangerous. I mean, not like dangerously good. They can be dangerous. You ever eat the shrimp and then poke your tongue on the tail? That sucker hurt. That thing hurt. This shrimp. Please slap him. Yes, it do. Yes, it do. Though. Man, oh man, oh man. It's gonna be a short video. I'm like getting full. Just seems like a magic trick. Like, oh my gosh, you made that shrimp disappear, and then voila, it's back. It's back again. Back again. Back to back, make back, stack the M. Told him I messed him, said he. Really rum about it, nigga. What happened again? Uh-oh. Back to them. I turn my back, so my back's to them. Oh, yo. So, speaking of shrimps, there is a shrimp sale this Saturday. Oh, thank you, Jesus. This shrimp sale, oh, by far, some of the baddest shrimp I've ever tasted. I mean, you know, some decent sized shrimp, but the flavors, whoa, 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 like that. I mean, like that though. It's from friends of the family. Calm down. Tyler and John. Bruh. When I first tasted this shrimp, hands down, some of the best shrimp I've ever tasted. I went like, ooh, whoa. Now I'm like looking at my shrimp like, huh, shrimp is alright. Yeah, the shrimp is meh. Cause they shrimp, whew. They shrimp is on some other level. It's on another level type of stuff. I can't understand. I just don't understand. God bless those hands. Cause the flavor was on 10. Sweet Jesus. Damn it. I done dropped my wallet again. You probably wondering, like, damn, that's a lot of wallet. I got one of them metal wallets, you know. It's busted and crusted and all that. Got it from Ross when it was cool. You know, Ross, they got those as seen on TV type of product. That's one of them. I mean, card flying all the way over there. Huh. Pick it up later. But yeah, I think I'm done, bro. That was delicious. It was spectacular. I'm gonna save this, you know, take it home and warm it up and eat it again. But yeah, thanks for tuning in again, y'all. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see on upcoming videos. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. I want to hear from y'all. All 362 of you. And yeah, that's how much subscribers I have. But yeah, yo. So I'm trying to do this, you know, like this Washington wide type of thing. You know, like, bro, I wanna do some straight up reviews. You know, hit up a restaurant or two. So if you're in Washington and you know a couple of restaurants that you want me to try out, let me know. Hit it up in the comments, or you know, let me know on my other social media platforms. Yeah, on Facebook it's Lima Diner Topic Pussy Light, or other way around, something like that. Lima Diner Pussy Light Topic, that's what it is, or something like that. Instagram, Dinah Loves Lima, or That Boy Named Dinah, and That Boy Named Dinah on YouTube, and That Boy Named Dinah on TikTok. And I just downloaded Twitch. You know, I'm not a gamer, but you know, I can start video and you know just do, hey guys, what's up? Let me know what's up with you guys, all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Even if you guys haven't tuned in, yeah, thank you just for looking at that. But yeah, I'm about to get back to work, and yeah, we'll pick up this wallet over here. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Catch you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, do what it do. Okay. Alright, love you guys. Be blessed. And we're out. Maybe we should go out this way because that's where the door is. You know what I'm saying? There. Bye.